On 26th and 27th, we will see the expected questions for that. So before starting the video, I will tell you one thing. Those who are new, please subscribe to the channel. Let's start. So guys, your first question is, which state of India is Appam, Padu and Indapam, Edi Appam food items related to? So this will be your option 4, it is from Kerala state. Next, in which year did India get independence? Option 3, 1947. Next, what is the literacy rate of India according to Census 2011? Option A, 73.0%. If you look at the option, it is 74.04%. Next, what is the radius of the Earth? So its option will be 6,371 kilometers. Next, who is the author of the book History of British India? So C, its option will be option 1, James Mill. Next, who served as the first Governor General of independent India? Option A, C, Rajagopalachari. Next, CE means. What does it mean? Option 3, Common Era. Next, what is the objective of Abhiyan Indradhanush started in 2014? Option 4 will be its option. To provide education to the deprived children on this option. Next, World Environment Day is celebrated. Option 1 is celebrated on the 5th of June. Next, the layer situated around the Earth is called. What is it called? Option 2, Environment. Next, what is the full form of MA program? Option 1, Mother's Complete Love, Mother's Complete Love, Mother's Absolute Affection. Next, yours, Lukta is a form of which of the following which is worn in Chhattisgarh? Option 2, Dupatta. Next, where is Jamia Islamia University located? Option 3, Delhi. Next, which of the following programs was started in all government primary schools under which cooked food is provided to the children? Option 2, Midday Meal. Next, Bihu Festival. In which state of India is the Bihu Festival celebrated? Your option 4 will be that it is celebrated in the state of Assam. Next, if a person's kidney stops working, then his blood is filtered by an artificial kidney. Otherwise, he cannot survive. This process is called. Option 2 is called dialysis. Next, let's see your question. What does it say? Which of the following is not a terrestrial natural habitat? So option 1 is a pond, the other 3 are desert, rainforest, grassland. Your next question is what is the SI unit of mass? Its answer will be option 2, kilogram. Next, a boy is standing at a distance of 50 centimeters from a plane mirror. What will be the distance between the mirror and the image? What will be option 2? Option 3 is 50 centimeters. Next, what will you fill in the blank here? Option 3 is no medium is required for the transfer of heat in the process of convection. Next, look here, what will you fill in the blank here? Option A is typhoid and meningitis or waterborne diseases. Next, match the following. Matching has to be done through coat. So its option will be 1. First is your leaf petal. Its option will be leaf, petal, which option will it be? Flower pistil. Its option will be 2nd, ovary. Climber, weak stem. Next, there's empty space here. What will you make here? Vitamin B1. Beriberi disease occurs due to deficiency of vitamin B1. Which of the following is not a characteristic of fish? So, this is one question. I'm asking you a question. What will be the answer of this that is not a characteristic of fish? Presence of gills will be yours, but what is not a characteristic? You must tell its answer by commenting in the comment box. Next is what is the cause of hepatitis, a disease? So option 2 is virus. Next is land. There's empty space here. What will you fill here? Skin. We breathe through the skin. Next is yours. In the production of which of the following is yeast used? Option 3 is alcohol. Next, in the year 2016, the government of India has started a mission called Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, under which proper sewage disposal has been started. Next, match the electrical components given in column 1 with their symbols given in column 2. See what will be formed. Option 4 will be formed. You can see. First is electric cell. This one will become electric cell. Then the switch is in on position. This will be from the 3rd. Then electric bulb will be from the 2nd. Battery is up to you. Next, what is that property of metals called? By which metals are beaten to make thin stones? So this will be machinability. Next is your statement. Let's see the conclusion question. So the first statement is what are all animals? Dogs. So what will all the animals be to you? They will be dogs. You have to prepare a Venn diagram. Second, some dogs are dangerous, so some part of the dog will go in what? Will go in dangerous. So the first conclusion is all animals are dangerous. Absolutely wrong, because some part of the animal is going in dangerous, so all will be wrong. Second, some dogs are animals. So some part of dog is going into animal. This is correct. Second is correct. So option 2 only leads to the second conclusion. Next is your question. Just like kilometer is related to distance, similarly Newton will be related to what? Newton is related to force. See, kilometer will be the unit of distance. So what will Newton be the unit of? Force. Next is your question. Tell the next term of the given series. See, if you make 12 from 1, how much is yours adding up? 1 and 12 are making 16. How much is yours adding up? 4. If you make 25 from 16, how much is yours adding up? 9 and 25 are making 31 41. How much is yours adding up? 16. Now see one thing. This is the square of 1. This is the square of 2. This is your square of 3. This is your square of 4. What will come next? The square of 5 will come. What is the square of 5? Here 25 will come. And if you add this 25 to 41, you will get your answer. So if we add 5 1 6, 2 4 and 2 6, then your answer will be 66. Option 2 is the right answer. Choose the odd one. Which one will be your odd one? Option 4. Tomato, ginger, carrot, potato. All grow from the root, meaning inside the earth, and tomato grows above the earth, so option 4 will be odd. Next, in a certain code language, covet is written as eyes, then how will height be written in the same language? So let's write the code of alphabet COVETC. It is 3. What is the code of O? What is the code of 15 volts? What is the code of 22E? 5 and T is 20. What do you want to make from this? Let's write the alphabet. What is the code of FRYHWF? It is 6. What is the code of R? The code of 18Y is 25. What is the code of H? It is 8. And that of W is 23. If 3 becomes 6, then you have 3 pairs. If 15 becomes 18, then how many pairs are there? 3. And if 22 becomes 25, then you have 3 pairs. If 5 becomes 8, then how many pairs are there? 3. If 20 becomes 23, then how many pairs are there? 3. We will apply the same method in the alphabet code of Hyde. Write down all the alphabets of Hyde. HIDE, what is the code of H? It is 8. The code of I is 9. D becomes 4 and E becomes 5. In the end, all 3 pairs are there, so we will add 3 in this also. If 3 becomes 8, then 11 will come. If 3 becomes 9, then 12 will come. If 3 becomes 4, then 7 will come, and if 3 becomes 5, then 8 will come. Write down their alphabets. What is 11? K becomes 12, L becomes 7, G becomes 7. 8 is the letter H, so KLGH, so option 2 is the right answer. Let's see your next question. It is a direction test question. Next, a person is standing facing north. So where is the north direction? It is upwards. He is standing facing north. He turns 135 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. Guys, he will rotate 135 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. So see, this became 90 degrees. This became 90 degrees. It became 180. So how much do we have to rotate? We have to rotate 135. So see, this will come here. Here, okay. The direction below is south. Above is north. This is west and here is east. He says further, after that he rotates 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. Now if he rotates 90 degrees in the clockwise direction, then he will go upwards. So yours will come here like this. So it will come here. So what does this direction indicate in the main direction? What will be the direction between north and west? Northwest. So option 3 is the right answer. Your next question is about simplification. So see, according to the Babin's rule, first we will solve the small cell, then the small cell and then the big cell. So we will be able to find the value of x easily. Then we will write down your 45 numbers. 45 minus big bracket 28 minus floor bracket 37 minus. Now if we open the bracket, then 15 of minus and plus will become x minus minus plus floor bracket close big bracket Van Dan equals 58. Okay, now see 45 minus big bracket 28 minus c 15 goes out of 37. How much will be left? 15 twice 30 and 15 remains 15 and 7. What is 22? So this will become 22 of minus, then c minus plus. This is x of plus minus plus will become minus. So x of minus will come big bracket 1 equals 58. Then c 45 minus big bracket 22 goes out of 28. So 6 will become 6 minus x equals 58. Now see. Let's write 45 minus minus will become 6, and what will become minus minus plus x equals 58. 6 will go out of 45. How much will be left will become 39 plus x. This will equal 58. We will transpose. X equals 39 divided by 58. How much will you be left with? 39 divided by 58. Let's subtract it. 9 divided by 18 becomes 9. 3 divided by 4 becomes 1. So you will be left with 19. So option 3 is the right answer. Your next answer is C, x, y is equal to 1/3. So you have to tell its value. So see in this, we divide the numerator and denominator by y squared. So this will become x squared divided by y squared plus 1, and this will become x squared divided by y squared minus 1, because y squared will be subtracted from y squared. Now what can we write this as? Whole square of x upon y and plus 1 divided by x upon y minus 1. If we put the value of x upon y, then whole square of 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So how much will it be? 1 divided by 9 plus 1 divided by 9 minus 1. If we take the LCM, 9 will be subtracted from the top, 9 below also. The LCM will be 9 above also, so 9 will be subtracted from the bottom. So the top will be 9. 9 plus 1 divided by the bottom will be 9 minus 1 minus 9. So this will come 10 divided by minus 8. If we subtract it from 2, then 2 4s 10 and 2 4s 8. So minus 5 quarters of 4 minus 5 quarters. So option 3 is the right answer. Next is yours. Next question is the HCF of 2 numbers is 28. The LCM is 336 and one number is 112. So you have to tell the other number. So LCM asterisk HCF means 28 asterisk 336 will be equal to what? Product of both the numbers. One number is 112. Let's assume another number B. Okay, so we will subtract 112 from 28. How many times will it be subtracted? 4 times. Okay, so it will become 4. We subtract this from 4. 36. So 4 times 28 equals 4 and 32 equals 1 left. 4 times 4 equals 16. So what is the value of b? 84. So option 3 is the right answer. The next two numbers are in the ratio of 2, 3. If their sum is 125, then find those numbers. Let's assume both your numbers are 2x. The first number is 2x. The second number is 3x. What is the sum of these two equal to? Equal to 125. So from here 5x equals 125. How much will x be equal to? 25 5 times 2 equals 10 5 equals 25. So we have to tell both the numbers. So if we have to tell the value of 2x and 3x, then 2x equals 2 asterisk 25 will equal 50. The third number is 3x, so 3 times 25 equals 75, so 50 will become 75. Option 3 is the right answer. Now let's look at the English questions. The question is choose the correctly stated word. Which is the correct word? So option 2 is humorous. Option 2 is the right answer. The next question is choose the alternative that best expresses the given sentence in passive voice. So the sentence is the accountant took the check from the customer. What will be its passive voice? Option 2. The check was taken from the customer by the accountant. Next is, in the following question, the first and the last part of the sentence are numbered S1 and S, so it says, the rest of the sentence is split into 4 parts and name given, is P, Q, R, S. The 4 parts are jumbled, in jumbled form, so. Rearrange them in correct order. Rearrange this in correct order. What will be your answer for this? Option 2. Option 2. Okay. Let's make it. First will come Q, women continue to be. After that will come P, neglected and there are far. Then will come S, fever women than men. Then will come R, who have had the benefit of. Okay. Next change the following sentence into indirect speech. Shakti said to the friend, comma, inverted comma, look out, there is a snake behind you. C. Option 4 will be made for this. Shakti warned his friend that there was a snake behind him. Let's see next.
YouTube चैनल से तुम महीने का 20 से 30 हजार कमा सकते हो, कोई तुक्के लगा के नहीं, इसकी स्किल्स सीख कर। और इसकी स्किल्स अगर सीखनी है तो सीखो ऐप पे चले जाओ। आप लोग दिन भर रील्स देखने में टाइम तो वेस्ट करते ही होंगे, उससे अच्छा वो समय सीखो ऐप पे बिता लो। वीडियोस वहां भी हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ ऐसी वीडियोस हैं जिनसे कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। मैंने अपना YouTube चैनल सीखो ऐप से सीख कर ही शुरू किया था और अभी भी हर रोज सीखो ऐप चलाता हूँ और इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब पे ग्रो करने के नए नए तरीके सीखता हूँ। समय बर्बाद मत करो, रोज कुछ नया सीखो। मेरी मानो तो अभी के अभी सीखो ऐप डाउनलोड कर लो। डाउनलोड नाउ बटन पे क्लिक करो और अभी सीखो ऐप डाउनलोड करो।
Pick out the part of the sentence which has an error. If there is no error, your answer is 4. See what will be your answer for this. Your error is in option 2B, so and I was much surprised. Your error will be made in this. Next, fill in the blank with suitable alternative. So further it says you will not overtake him unless you. What will you fill here? Quickly. Next, choose the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the underlined edge. They sold their old house because it was a bitten elephant. What will be the meaning of a bitten elephant? Useless. So option 2 is the right answer. Next, find out the antonym of frequent. What will be the antonym of frequent? Antonym rare. Option A is the right answer. Find out the synonyms of the underlined word in the following sentence to travel hopefully. Is a better thing than to arrive, and true success is to labor. So what will happen to hopefully? Positively. Positively. Okay. Next, choose the correct alternative to improve the underlined part of the following sentence. If no improvement is required, your answer is 4. Passengers are requested not to seat on the floor. So, what will be the meaning of requested not to seat? So, no improvement. There is no need to make any correction in this. So, option 4 is the right answer. Now the Hindi question is, which sentence is an example of relational character? So option 1, Mary age 60 Saul ki high. Next, do not roam around in this garden anymore. Which is the most suitable synonym of the underlined word in the sentence? Option 1, Vatika. Ak is not a word formed by the addition of the suffix. Dainik. Option 3, Dainik. Seeing the axes coming, the trees started crying. What is the example of the sentence from the viewpoint of figure of speech? Option 4 is of the figure of speech of humanization. Next, in which of the given options is the sentence not in its correct form? Option 1 is a strong relation between nature and life. This is not correct. The other 3 are correct. The boat is floating on the sea. Children are playing in the field. Pollution is decreasing in the cities. Next, the compound in which the first word is dominant is called Avyayabhav compound. Which of the given options has the correct form of spelling? Correction is written like option 1. Next is the most appropriate word for the time between night and evening. Option 1 is Go Dooli Bella. Next is the most appropriate word formed by the addition of ni, don, asha. What would be the most appropriate meaning of the idiom, washing hands in the flowing Ganga, to take advantage of the opportunity? Your next question is the beginning of Haryana GK. How many districts are there in Haryana? So option 2 is 22 districts. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the National Security Guard NSG? Below is to be told through the court. So what is both option 3A and B? The operational headquarters of NSG is in Manesar. NSG is under the control of the Union Home Ministry? In which month of the year is the famous Surajkund Fair organized in Haryana? February. Option 4 is the right answer. Which word has been used for Haryana in the Mahabharata period? Option 2 Bahudanyak. Let's see the next question. What do you say? Two festivals are celebrated every year to promote the ancient heritage of Pinjore. One festival is Pinjore Heritage Festival. Which is the second festival? Mango Festival. Who among the following is the Minister of Environment, Forest and Wildlife of Haryana State? If this question is your old one, then you must tell its answer by commenting in the comment box. What will be the answer? Progressive farmers are motivated to do agriculture work in how many categories of land holdings through the Chief Minister's Progressive Salmon Yojana? Option 3, 4. Which of the following trees is the state tree of Haryana? Mango tree. Next, let's see your question. What does it say? Consider the following statements and which one is correct. You have to tell below. So its answer will be option 2, only the second one. Police Commissionerate is located in Sonapat. What percentage of total expenditure has been allocated for health in the state of Haryana for the financial year 2022-23? 6.2%. Consider the following statements and which one is correct. Option 3, both A and B. Sonapat and Jajjar share border with Delhi. Rohtak does not share border with Delhi. Nimrana is under which state? Option 1, Rajasthan. How many Rajya Sabha seats are there in the state of Haryana? So option 4 is 5 seats. Consider the following statements and which one is correct. Only B. Nada Sahib Gurudwara is on the banks of River Gaggar. In which district is the Indian National Defence University located? Gurugram. Indira Gandhi Ati Ashriya Shakti project is in which district of Haryana? It is in Jajjar district. Garima Chaudhary is famous for which sport? Option 1, ad. Next, let's see your question. What does it say? Who among the following did not play in Ranji Trophy for Haryana? Government Talwar Narnaul is located in which district? In Mahendragarh district. Which of the following dance styles of Haryana is related to the Mewati tribe? Ratvai. Who is the author of the epic Mahabharata? Maharishi Vedvas. Which of the following is not one of the major cotton-producing districts of Haryana? Option 1, Sirsa. Next, what does your question say? Consider the following statements about the gross domestic state domestic product GSDP. Which one is correct? You have to tell. The first one is a Haryana's GSDP is more than Bihar's GSDP. O2 Dam is on which river in Haryana? Gaggar River. And let's see today's last question. What does it say? In which part of the body is Bijli jewel worn by women in Haryana? Option 1, ear. So guys, that's all in today's video. Thank you. Have a nice